So we're going. We've been building this Igbo Jacksonville network for out east for 2 years, but I've been in Jacksonville 5 years. So we got Trinity, our landlord's in Nigeria right now. She's traveling there. She's on a TV show. I'm helping promote that. I'm trying to vote every day. I don't know. I should try and forward that to you, where you can try and vote. But yeah, everybody's voting for her reality show. And now this, like, if you have access to the neighborhoods like that, because you got free time, because you're not on the job, you're not clocking in, that could be an asset where people, and all we need to do is find ways to make money through business, like pop-up shops, selling shirts. You connect with somebody with a shirt who knows a business plan. So we just need to connect people with business plan. We just can't be meeting just to meet. Say we got 5 people. We need to. Last night you had that meeting, so that group call, that was taking initiative. Then we just move out the shirts. I just want to move out the shirts, because once you put out the shirts, people can read what it says. They're going to ask what it says. You're going to have to know what it says. Now you just show up to a meeting one time, and then the next week another meeting. You ain't doing nothing. You can fake the funk. You don't have to read nothing. You just faking the funk. So I think what you're doing, just keep having them calls, and we're gonna keep moving it. And I just keep going to work, keep getting the money in, keep sharing money, and shirts will come, because that's money too. So I'm gonna go home. But this was live. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I don't think that bring 5 people to the table and we ain't discussing money. I don't think that's gonna work. I feel you gotta introduce money, and then it's a black people doing money, and you say this is the rules. You can't just be saying this is the rules and you don't have no plan for money. People gotta eat. But all right, I got YouTube live, man. Yeah, shit. I got that tongue, boy. That golden tongue. Right there, the golden tongue. I know how to speak several languages slickily.
You do it. I need cash. I need to get on the bus. All right.